Customer segmentation. Do you really know how to use it and why it is important? A lot of people think about it's easier. Segmentation is just grouping people into different groups. It doesn't. Customer segmentation is more than just grouping people differently. It is actually about a decision. Who should be treated differently? So to be more clear, if nothing changes after you segment, your segmentation is a failure. Hi, I'm Yuli, a data specialist in Melbourne. I talk about applied analytics skills in this channel, not just numbers and metrics, but how data shapes strategy. And today, let's dive into customer segmentation. Customer segmentation is the structured process of dividing customers into meaningful groups so different actions can be taken. It directly influences marketing budget allocation, products roadmap prioritize, risk management, retention strategy. So let's take some example to understand customer segmentation matters. So now imagine an online retailer. Revenue looks stable, but growth is slowing. When you apply the RFM segmentation, high frequent, high speed customer drives 60% of the revenue. One-time buyer rarely come back. Recently, inactive customer used to spend significantly. So you find all of these facts. With customer segmentation, you can see a very different behavior based on one result. Now the strategy becomes obvious. Protect high-value customers, re-engage the recent inactive group, improve first purchase experiences. So without segmentation, everyone will get the same email and the conversion rate is very low. With segmentation, you can apply specific budget, specific strategy to different group to make a better result. Let's take another example, like the one I have been working, the digital home loan. Assume the overall conversion is 18% and it's declining. So at first glance, it looks as a product issue, but when you segment your customer, their behavior into different funnel, you see something more specific. Existing customer convert at 35%, new to bank customer convert at only 8%. Price-sensitive application dropped at rate comparison page. Risk-sensitive applicant drop at the document upload. Instead of conversion is low, it becomes a trust issue for new customer, a UX friction issue for risk-sensitive user, a transparency issue for price-sensitive applicants. With the same data, it shifts different direction, and this is the power of segmentation. I'm going to provide 5 common segmentation approach, and I will give a typical real-world scenario to help you understand how to use it. First one, life cycle segmentation. This is about where customers are in the journey. Common example like new customer, like sign up within latest 30 days. Existing customer, active user more than 30 days. Reactive customer, returned after like 3 months of inactivity. Why this matters? So expectation and behavior change over time. If you mix life cycle stage, your metrics gets disordered. The second way to do the segmentation is based on the activity. So this one is focusing on an engagement level. Typical definition include active user, logged in or purchased within the last 7 days. Dormant customer, no activity for 30 days. Churned customer, no activity for 90 days. This segmentation often drives retention strategy. When growth slowly, the real problem is often hidden in engagement segments. The next one is common use. Segment customer based on demographic. This groups customers by observed attributes. Common variables include age bracket, income range, location, occupation. This segmentation is used for positioning or pricing. Demographic just describe who they are, not always how they behave. So that's why this method is useful, but rarely sufficient itself on its own. The next one is used a lot, RFM segmentation. RFM stands for frequency, how recently customer purchased, within 30 days, 90 days, 180 days. Frequencies, how many purchases within the last 12 months. Monetary, total spend within the last 12 months. So this method connects engagement with their revenue contribution. It is widely used in retail, e-commerce, and subscription business because it's practical and data-driven. The next segmentation method is how you different with others. It's behavioral segmentation. This focuses on how your customer interacted with your products. So let's go back to the digital home loan example. We can segment customer based on their behavior. Immediate submitter, comparison-driven researcher, drop-off at pricing stage, or document upload abundance. In SaaS platform, like the power users, feature explorer, casual users, trial-only users. So from the behavioral segmentation, it directly informs products and UX design. This is where analytics from the reporting to influence. And the last question, after you have your customer segmentation, how to evaluate whether your segmentation works? A segmentation is valuable only if 1. Key metrics differ meaningfully across different groups. 2. Action or resource allocation changed because of it. If nothing changes for the segmentation, you are creating catalogs, not segmentation. The final takeaway, segmentation is not about complexity. It is about direction and it is about how you understand your customers. So before designing any segmentation, ask below questions will help you to finalize your segmentation strategy. What decision are we trying to improve? What behavioral difference actually matters? What will we do differently for each of the group? When this done properly, segmentation transforms customer data into the real impact. And that is the time data analyst becomes more powerful. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to know more topic like this, subscribe below. I will talk data beyond the numbers.